The iPhone has always been known for having a great camera. With the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple is pushing the boundaries of mobile photography even further. Set to launch in September 2025, the iPhone 17 Pro boasts a groundbreaking 4-camera system. This system is packed with features that promise to redefine how we capture and share our world. This new iPhone isn't just about more megapixels, it's about giving users more creative control than ever before. The iPhone 17 Pro is more than just a phone. It's a professional-grade camera, a powerful computer, and a sleek design object all rolled into one. The iPhone 17 Pro's 4-camera system is a game-changer. Each lens plays a crucial role in capturing stunning images and videos. The 48-megapixel wide lens delivers incredible detail and clarity, whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits. The 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your field of view, capturing more of the scene in a single frame. For those who love to zoom, the 48-megapixel telephoto lens offers incredible reach without sacrificing image quality. And let's not forget the 24-megapixel front-facing camera, which promises stunning selfies and crystal-clear video calls. While the camera system is the star of the show, the iPhone 17 Pro boasts other impressive upgrades. The design gets a refresh with a new horizontal camera bump. This bump seamlessly integrates the 4 lenses into the phone's body. Apple is also rumored to be introducing a new two-tone design, adding a touch of sophistication to the device. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the A19 chip. This chip is built on a 3-nanometer process, making it incredibly fast and efficient. With 12 gigabytes of RAM, the iPhone 17 Pro can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Gamers and power users will appreciate the inclusion of a vapor chamber cooling system, which keeps the phone running cool even under heavy workloads. The iPhone 17 Pro is more than just an iterative update. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. With its groundbreaking camera system, sleek design, and powerful performance, the iPhone 17 Pro is poised to be the most advanced iPhone yet. This phone is not just for tech enthusiasts, but for anyone who wants the best possible mobile experience. Apple continues to impress with its dedication to improving user experience year after year. The iPhone 17 Pro is a clear indication that the future of mobile technology is bright, and it's exciting to see what innovations Apple has in store for us next.